Hi, Jason West here, and in this video I want to help you learn what Kartra actually replaces. So a lot of people have said, okay, Kartra looks really interesting, but what software am I going to be able to get rid of as a result of getting Kartra? Well, that depends on a lot of different things, but let's run through each thing that Kartra does, and then I'll help you understand the things that it's helped me get rid of, and then hopefully you can look at what you've got in the way of software at the moment that you're using for your online business and go, okay, I don't need that anymore, I won't need that anymore, and so on. And you better work out the cost saving, which they usually will be quite a substantial cost saving. So first of all, let's take a look. I'm in the inside of Kartra now. The first thing that it will replace is any kind of checkout software. So maybe you're using Samcart or something like that at the moment. But with Kartra, you've got the ability to create your own checkout pages anyway. So you would do that in My Products. You would just create a product for whatever it is you're selling, an ebook or some kind of a digital download, anything like that, an event ticket, whatever you want. And then you would just click here and you just click Create Product. Once you've done that, you will get a checkout link, which is just here, and you can see it linked to the checkout page. Let's just take you to there now so I can show you what it looks like. There we go. Okay, so that's just loading up. And this is what you can link to, and you would then have your own checkout. There's a number of different templates for this Kartra checkout. You can have loads of different designs. And also you can select this if you're doing it in, say, in dollars like I am, and then somebody wants to see what the price is in their own currency. You can just do a little exchange here. This is only like a guide. This is not some sort of real-time conversion. But if somebody's looking to purchase from you, then they'll be able to at least see what it would be in their currency roughly. So it's got a checkout, a built-in checkout software. So you can create unlimited products and then create checkouts for them. You can also do one product price or multiple product prices. You can do installment plans. I mean, the list is phenomenal. So it will likely solve your problem if you want to have a built-in checkout and you want to send people to a checkout. So that's number one thing that it will replace. So things like Thrivecart and Samcart. It also has an affiliate program system. So all of these products can be added to an affiliate program, and then people are able to join your affiliate program, and then you use their custom affiliate link to send people to the checkout or to any other sales page that you designate to be able to then pay out or earn commission on any of your products. So it also replaces affiliate software. So if you're using some kind of dedicated affiliate software, you can forget that now and just use Kartra for that too. And you can see all of your affiliates, how much they're selling. You've got your own affiliate dashboard. They have their own affiliate dashboard too. And with all of these different features that Kartra has that will replace all the software that you have, there's also an analytics tab for everything too. So you get to just check out all of the number of sales for each product, for example, the page visits for each page, and so on. The second thing that it's going to replace is with this My Communications. You are going to be able to build up your own email list, have your own leads. It's got a tagging system. You can do email broadcasts. So it's going to replace things like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, any of those things. ConvertKit. I mean, the list goes on, doesn't there? There's so many different email marketing softwares, Infusionsoft and so on, but it's going to replace those. So you've got a fully featured email marketing system where you can send out mass broadcasts. You can do email sequences too. So we can create email sequences, even very complicated email sequences. If I just open one up for you. So with regards to this kind of thing, it's like Aweber, MailChimp. You're able to create sequences of emails for people. With Kartra, you can do the same as with ActiveCampaign too. So you can do very complicated automations and sequences based on what people do as well. So it's a marketing automation tool. It's an email sequence tool. If you want to drip feed emails out to people who join your list, then it will do that for you as well. Automations wise, you can also train it to take people out of an email list when they purchase your product, for example, and multiple other things. Like when they've visited so many pages, they've built up points because it has point scoring too. Then you can then do things with that person, that lead, based on things that they've done. So very, very good automation system. Again, with analytics as well, you can see how many people are joining your list. So it replaces your email marketing platform. The next thing that it will do is replace something like ClickFunnels, or lead pages or Unbounce, because you can create full landing pages with the software. So in My Pages, you get the option to create one from scratch and build it yourself with the help of untold sections that you can drag over, or you can just use templates. And you can see you've got squeeze pages, video sales pages, thank you pages, long form sales pages, all of the classics. If we do preview here, you can see what they look like. Look at this, full on website landing page here. So it's a full page builder system, and it's going to replace the likes of Unbounce, Lead Pages, ClickFunnels, all of those guys. Very good for that. Again, you can do split testing, analytics, and see which pages are doing really well. You can see the engagement with heat maps. Next up, we've got forms. So this really ties in with your list building. You can create dedicated forms that you can put into a WordPress blog. You can put into any page created with Kartra, and then start pulling people into your list. So a full section here is dedicated to forms, the analytics for forms. So how many people are filling them out and everything all can be obtained from this section. Next, you can say goodbye to the likes of Thinkific, Teachable, any of those membership platforms, because you can create your own memberships here, and you can create multiple memberships. You can create portals, so people can just log into multiple courses that they may have purchased. So it's very, very good for that too. I mean, it really does replace the likes of, like I say, Teachable and Thinkific. You can have a centralized portal for all of your membership sites there. So, and analytics even, to see how many people have joined, who's doing what. You can see the progress of each person who has joined the membership. You can do recurring membership programs because it can tie up with your products. So the way it works in Kartra is you'll create a product, i.e. a membership, and then you'll tie it in with your membership. So if somebody wants access to that membership, they buy the product. Very, very simple. Next up, you've got video hosting. So you don't need Wistia, for example, or Vimeo. You can now host your own videos and then put them on a dedicated landing page. You can put them into your own Kartra pages. You can link to them as a raw file. There's all kinds. So if I click get video URL here, you can embed this video into any page you want. You can put it straight into a Kartra page, allow it to have comments underneath, allow people to download it, or you can go straight to the source file URL and direct link to it. So a multitude of options there. I wouldn't say that Kartra's billing setup is set up to have massive amounts of watches of your videos, because you can churn through your bandwidth allowances. But what it is really good for is being able to have a look at whether people are watching the videos. So that's really useful. If you want to know any of your leads have watched a particular video, you can tag people when they've done that. So that's only really possible within Kartra's own system. So there's a lot of other benefits. You can do content gating. You can get people to enter their name and email at the end of the video, for example, or share the video. So it really is a full platform dedicated to video within this one section, rather than just a kind of quick add-on where you upload your own videos. You can see all of the analytics and see, how many people have been watching your videos. All of that stuff, all within Kartra. So you can see I've had 651 plays of my videos here in the last 30 days. You can see there, look, number of plays, completes, any calls to action that people have taken at the end of the video. It's all there. So a brilliant video system. Adios, Vimeo, and Wistia. Another expense gone. Next up, you have something that would replace Acuity and Calendly. This is a full calendar system now. So you can have calls, set up calendars, multiple calendars for different things, and then people can book calls with you. They can book gym classes. They can book all kinds of different things. You can see your agenda for the day or the month. And then you've got analytics as well to see how many people are booking using your calendars. So if we take a little look here at this one, let's just show you a sample calendar. We can click Get Link. And then we can link to this calendar from anywhere or anything we want. And then people are able to then, oh, hello, what we've got here. Let's try this calendar here. Sorry, maybe there's something I haven't done with that one. There we go. So to book a call with me, for example, I've got this calendar here. And then people can choose their time slot, so they see the times that are allocated here in their own time zone. And then people can go ahead and book a call. So really good calendar system, all inbuilt with Kartra. And as I say, you can get rid of all of those other different platforms that you might be using at the moment to do this. So full calendar system. Very flexible. You can even charge for calls as well if you want, charge for your time, or you can make it free. And there's multiple different types of calendar. So we've got the consultant model, this one here, so open time range, which is the one I just showed you. Great for one-to-one sessions. Then you've got the recurrent class model. So, if there's a class from, every week that someone can book, we can do that. You've got this gym model, so where you will be saying certain things are on at a certain time every week, and then people can go in and book those. And then live events as well, so specific date and times. You can create a calendar for that. Really good for sort of online workshops and things too. And then you just click create and off you go. So that's something else it replaces. Next up, you have a replacement for things like Zendesk. So you can create your own dedicated help desk, all built in within Kartra. Also has like a ticket system, live chat as well. Has live chat with canned responses. So a really good, fully featured help desk system. If I click on tickets here, you might be able to just see some of my tickets that have been coming in. So we can see we've got a ticket system there when people have been responded to and everything. Whether they need to, be marked as unread or resolved. You can do all of that. A full feature system that's going to replace any help desk software that you might be using right now. You can set up email signatures, canned responses, the whole shebang. Next up, campaigns. So what campaigns are the ability for you to just import pre-done full Kartra campaigns with landing pages, with videos, with everything, graphics, the whole lot, imported, automations, everything, sequences, the lot, straight into your Kartra account, ready for you to edit and then deploy and then quickly be up and running with a fantastic product launch funnel, for example, or a full website. So these are here, these campaigns. You can create your own and sell them, give them away, whatever you want to do. These are all my campaigns that I've created and that are for sale in the Kartra marketplace and on my own website as well. There'll be a link underneath this, jasonwest.com/funnel shop if you want any of these and you want to get going with Kartra really quick and get everything set up and get my video training. But here's the marketplace in Kartra. So you can just go in here and have a look at people's campaigns and then just purchase them and have them imported straight into your Kartra account. So if we order by most popular, you'll see that yours truly has pretty much dominated the top lot there, the top funnels, all these ones here with the white and yellow. So these are ready to go. You just buy them and import them in. So it's got that same ability as ClickFunnels that has the ability to share campaigns as well. So really good if you've got multiple accounts and things or clients. You want to create a campaign in your own account and then export it into their account once they've paid, for example. Really good for that. Next up, you've got the ability to integrate with all of the different softwares here. You can integrate with Stripe and PayPal and all of the rest of it. Lots of different things, even Kajabi, which is really a competitor in many ways. and Zapier. So Zapier opens up a whole lot of options for you. And then you've got finally here the agency platform. So if you want to manage client accounts or sell accounts in Kartra, you can do that too. So it's a really good agency platform, might be very good replacement for things like HubSpot. So very good for that. And then you're able to promote other Kartra products and Kartra's own products here with the affiliate promotions. But everything kind of above here from help desk upwards is the things that Kartra can help you replace. All in all, I think it worked out that I was able to replace about and save about $500 worth a month of software by using Kartra. From memory now, there's probably another video that I've done to tell you what software that I've replaced using Kartra, but it was something along the lines of Thinkific, Wistia, Active Campaign, ClickFunnels, and something else I was using for help desk software. I forget what that was now. So, quite a lot. And also having them all in that one place was really handy too. Having everything in here. Not having to log in to like 5 or 6 different softwares. Then trying to, look at all the analytics and the stats for each thing in a separate place. Then having to remember to sort of update your card in 5 different places. So it's good for that. Kartra's good for that. If you want to try it out, there's a link underneath this video. It's my affiliate link. If you sign up with me, I'll give you a free funnel as well. But there you are. I hope that's helped you to understand exactly what software Kartra can replace and made things a little bit clearer for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you again soon.